Why should I soak nuts and seeds on the keto diet? So nuts and seeds can contain substances that interfere with the body's ability to absorb nutrients. By soaking them, reducing their anti-nutrient content and making them easier to digest and improving their nutrition. Soaking also activates enzymes which initiate the nuts and seeds digesting themselves before you actually eat them, saving your body some additional effort. Now, to soak nuts or seeds, place them in a bowl filled with water and leave them overnight at room temperature. The next day, you can drain and spread them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, place them in the oven for roughly 130 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, or 55 to 65 degrees Celsius, or in a dehydrator for 12 to 24 hours, turning occasionally until completely dry. Now, if this sounds like more hassle than you are prepared to deal with, then just don't bother. It's really not such a big deal. Just choose quality organic nuts and enjoy them.